ladies and gentlemen, just to check how excited we all are this afternoon, pwede po bang paninig dyan isang malakas na palakpakan? Wow, the room is so full with beautiful and handsome guests. Pwede po bang palakpakan kami kasamang yehey in 1, 2, and 3? Yehey! Good day everyone! Today we gather to celebrate a love that is as genuine as it is inspiring. The union of Doctors Mark and Angel is a beautiful reminder that true greatness is found not only in brilliance and achievement, but in humility, kindness, and a heart that loves deeply. Our newlyweds are known not just as dedicated doctors, but as a couple whose love is quiet yet strong, simple yet profound. Their humility grounds them, their kindness touches everyone they meet, and their love reflects a partnership built on respect, faith, and compassion. As they began this new chapter of married life, may their journey together continue to be filled with grace, service, laughter, unwavering love, and your support. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wedding reception of Doc Mark and Doc Angel. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Malakas na palakpakan naman po yan. May please introduce to you the people who accepted the challenge to be the second parents of our dear couple. They are otherwise known as the couple's Ninogs and Ninangs, their principal sponsors. So to the dear Ninogs and Ninangs, if your name is called, can you stand up para makilala po ng lahat ng mga nandito ngayon sa hall. We start with Doc Owen de Guzman. Doc Owen, palakpakan po natin si Doc Owen. Mr. Jose Romeo Destura. Mr. Marvin Robles. Mr. Marvin. And Mr. Neil Altri Pegnador. Thank you. Now about the beautiful ladies. Dr. Crisantina Lopo de Guzman. Ma'am Jeneline Ariante Destura. Teka mga po, narinig natin yung music. Pwede naman sabayan pala yun, ano? Miss Gemma Robles, MMG, and Miss Marife Reyes. Kompleto, Nino at Nina. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Okay. Next will be this pair. Without them, our couple wouldn't be here. Ladies and gentlemen, may I please introduce to you the parents of our dear couple. Let's start with the parents of the groom. The mother, Miss Sarah Jane Mercado Barrios, and the brother of the groom, Dominic Salazano Banda Barrios. Come on, everyone, clap their hands for the mother of the groom, and of course the handsome brother of the groom, Ma'am Sarah Jane and Sir Dominic. Ladies and gentlemen, the parents of the bride, Mr. Nelson Jr. and Mrs. Marites Alvaraji. Next in line, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Team Bride. Maid of Honor Francis Verbi Alvaraji, court sponsors Maria Teresa, Marian Alex, Kira, bridesmaids Carrie, Tasha, and Vanessa. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Come on. Thank you so much, beautiful ladies. Maganda naman, very pretty. Members of the female entourage. Siyempre, natawag na po natin yung members of the female entourage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Team Groom. Headed by the best man, Lois. Secondary sponsors, Anthony, Michael, and Marvin. Groomsman, John, JD. Sabi ko nga po kanina, chill lang po tayo. Let's just be chill. Habang kahit naka-formal natin po tayo, chill lang po tayo hanggang matapos yung program. So ladies and gentlemen, how excited and how did the couple prepare for this wonderful day? Let's watch this video.
Pero